Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is called Tabith Giselle and I post beauty content, lifestyle here and there, and also skincare as well. So I really hope you enjoy your time on my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. To all my returning subscribers, today's video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this spring glam makeup. I did sort of a reddish orangey fiery eye, and then I paired it up with a nude lip, a nude pinkish lip. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and please do try out this makeup look and send me some pictures, or just let me know how you guys found it in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get started with the video. So dolls, to start off the makeup look, I'm going to be applying my pomade from Makeup Revolution, and this is what I use to fill in my eyebrows, as this just helps them to stand out and to look a bit more, prominent, because as you guys can see, before I apply this, they look barely there. I've always used this product and my angled brush, and it just works like so effortlessly for my eyebrows, so that's what I'm using. After I'm finished with my eyebrows, I'm going to move on to my face. I'm priming my face with a blurring primer. I'll list it in the description box below if you guys are interested. And I'm just setting my face with a primer. This just helps for your foundation and for your face to sit and basically stay on for the whole day. So I am going in with the primer, as this is so essential for keeping your makeup on for the whole day. And since it is a spring glowy kind of makeup, I am using my NYX Born to Glow foundation, and this is in the shade Cinnamon. I absolutely love this foundation, guys, for like an everyday like medium coverage foundation. This is the one, so make sure to do check it out at NYX. It is a really nice affordable foundation as well. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying that on my face, and then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and blend that all nice and make it all really blended well and seamless. For concealer, I am going to go in with the HD LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. This is what I'm using to conceal and highlight my under eyes and all the areas where I want to stand out. If you guys want to know more about highlighting and contouring as well, I have a video already filmed and recorded that you guys can definitely go and watch for more information in terms of what highlight and contour are, and basically how to do it yourself at home. So I will put the video somewhere here for you guys to reference to and click if you do wish after this video. And then yeah, so I'm just going to blend out that concealer with a beauty blender. You want to go in with a damp beauty blender preferably, because this is going to be easy to blend in the product and also helps the product to just really melt into the skin and give your skin this seamless and just a nice coverage in terms of the application. So that's what I am doing at this present moment. So I finished doing my contour and adding a bit of shimmer off camera. I'll list everything that I used for that. I'm now going in straight into the eye look tutorial, and I'm using this Morphe palette here. I will list all the shades as well in the description box below. So this is like an orangey kind of eyeshadow that I'm going in with, and this is what I'm going to use for my transition color for today. Since it is a spring makeup look, we want to definitely add the colors, and this was like more of a colorful bright look for people that do like colorful makeup. So yeah, I'm going in with that orangey shade as my transition color and just taking my time and blending it out very well, very precisely into my crease area. To further intensify the eye, I'm going back in again in my eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this color, which is sort of like a burnt brownish orangish color, and this is just to further intensify the eye, bring out the orange a bit more, and just taking my time again and just blending that really nicely. Be very thorough when using these colors because you want everything to look nice at the end. So take your time, don't rush the process, and yeah, that's my advice I can give you guys. So that's what I am doing, and then after that I'm going to go into my palette once again for the last time, and I'm going to start applying our main color, which is sort of like it's like a pinkish, dark, deepish, pinkish, reddish color, which really looks nice. It's sort of like a hot pink color, but not as much. It's like a fuchsia, but with hints of red. That's the best way I can explain this color. And I'm just using a flat brush, placing that on my eyelid area, just working that product really nicely, taking my time and just making sure I place it in the right direction. Now what I am just doing is getting my blending brush, which doesn't have any product, and I'm just going in with that, blending in that pinkish reddish eyeshadow that we've placed into the other eyeshadows that we put on prior, and just making sure everything really looks uniformed. Then I'm going to move on to doing my lower lash line area, and what I'm doing is applying the same eyeshadows that I placed on my crease area. Then I did go in with like slightly chocolate brown eyeshadow just to intensify the look and to sort of give it a smoky effect. I didn't want to apply the red because I just thought it might not look as nice. So I'm going in with that brown, and this just deepens up the lower lash area a bit more. It just makes my eyes stand out more when I do apply mascara and my lashes. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to move on to applying my mascara. My mascara is from Too Faced and it is the Better Than Sex mascara. Love this mascara because it just helps to give my lashes a volume, a lift, and also just helps them to look really they just stand out, is what I'm trying to say, every time I apply this mascara. So it is one of my faves that I've been enjoying putting on. So that was it, and then I do apply some lashes after this. I'll put the lashes that I use in the description box below, so please do make sure to check that out for reference. I love this lip liner. I use it all the time for all my looks. It is just my go-to unless if I'm doing a red lip. So that's what I'm using to line up my lips. And then for our main color, I'm using this liquid lipstick, and this is called the Demi Matte from Huda Beauty, and it is in the shade Shiro, and absolutely love this mauvish pinkish color of liquid lipstick. I just think it's so great for when you're having like smokies, if you're having browns, if you're having like reds on your eyes. It just looks nice with the lip liner. Always apply the lip liner before applying it. It just makes it look much more subtle. So really love this. And then last but not least, we're moving on to applying some blusher. I applied this blusher here, which I got in one of my glossy box. I will find out what shade it was and what brand it's from, and I'm just applying that on the apples of my cheeks and just really bringing out that flush of pink to my skin. And then last but not least, I do go in with my highlighter, which I am going to be adding onto my cheek area because I'd already applied it on my nose. So this is the highlighter that I'm using, and that was it guys for the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye dolls.